These birds, and they're so brave, they don't even move.
They don't
My
move.
goodness.
They're not even worried about us, bro.
Because no one tries to run them over.
How do we get out of here?
I don't know. We're like trapped in by the birds.
Should I reverse?
Don't do that. No, there might be a bird behind us too. Oh shit, there's a crow. There's one black crow. There's 3 black crows in all this bird madness.
Okay, we'll go this way.
Oh my god.
Bro!
Jesus, all of those birds. Look. It's not scary at all. Damn.
Where's this one?
What's up, guys? It's Michelle. We back. So, we're in Virginia, and as you've seen,
The most gangster birds.
the fucking birds don't even move. They're suicidal. They are suicidal. Them bitches don't move.
They stand right there in the park and they ain't not moving. You can run them over. Be like, move me, bitch.
Virginia is so much like, I don't have to wear a fucking coat. And it's January.
Bro.
It's January. No.
January.
January.
It's January.
I am in like this, and it's fine to be outside. You imagine that these fucking stop signs, they make you stay there till it turns red. Like everybody has, or till it turns green. Everybody has to wait till it turns green
What?
on their stop sign to go. It's like a stop line. Stop. What the fuck?
Like a stop light.
Yeah. Ma, this is not to turn. See, I can't. My vocabulary, my language, right? I need speech therapy.
That's what you're saying?
If I take my tongue ring off, I can talk perfect.
You know that my tongue ring doesn't let me do a lot of stuff too?
You could take it out for like 2 days and it'll still be open, and then you just put it back in. Mine closed the same day it fell out. And it didn't fall out. I swallowed it. I swallowed my...
Oh, the big one.
I swallowed it. We back with Keeping Up with Mitchie. So today...
You good there?
I'm in Stafford, Virginia with my sister, and y'all gonna see me try to climb this. I'm not gonna make it up, I'm telling you right now.
Hold on. Let's see how tall it is. Oh, don't say nothing.
Ready?
Go.
Do it, Mitchie. Give me a second, I need a jump start.
I know how to do this.
Go.
I know how to do this one.
Keep going.
I can't.
She made it halfway.
Go, JJ.
Not
Go,
even.
JJ. That hurt.
Look at
She's doing it. She's like behind the scenes.
Oh, shit.
Keep going, JJ. Keep going. Keep going. It's okay, I got you. Keep going. Keep going. Go, Josue. Your turn. Good job.
Ready?
He feels like better.
get all the way up there? Golo, dude. Golo. You make Tony ashamed.
But I gotta record it. It's still saving.
Don't record me. No, my shoes are too slippery.
I want to try again. Keep going, Mitchie. Just like that.
Oh, you're almost
Mom,
there.
look at she's doing it.
Go.
Yes, keep it up.
Switch
Come
your
on,
arm.
Mitchie. Come on. You got this. You got this. You can do this. Come on, you can do it.
All right, now touch the
You
yellow.
can do it. I can't. Keep
Come
going.
on, come on.
You're
keep
almost
going, you're
there.
All right,
You're
now
right
touch the yellow.
There. Come on. One more. Come on.
Touch the
One
yellow.
more.
That's it,
Push.
that's it.
Come on. Let's go. Yes. You did it.
Ah, that's a 4 drop. And I just got rubber on my fucking fingers.
No cursing.
I feel
Band-Aids. There you go.
That's all for today. Ooh, I burned my finger. And that's all we got for today, folks. Sorry I didn't post it yesterday, but I started my job, so I didn't have enough time. But that was our weekend in Virginia. It was a blast. Wish I could go back, but that's for another time. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your friends, tell your auntie, tell your girlfriend, tell her boo, tell your side nigga, tell your side bitch, tell her kids, tell your granny, tell your grandkids. Just pass it on. We'll be back with another video on Friday.